Hey, good morning and good afternoon to all of you, wherever you're watching from all over the world. And we hope that you all are doing really well in every field of your life. And we also welcome all of you in our YouTube channel. If you are new to our channel and if you haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe it and click on the bell icon just for not missing any further updates from our YouTube channel. As you all people know that we have earlier made some YouTube videos just to ease and boost up your lives. So if you haven't watched them, just go and watch them. They are going to be really helpful for you, and if you like them, give a huge thumbs up. And what we are talking about today is a very important problem, like how you can download things from YouTube. Like whenever we are using YouTube and we like a certain video, but we cannot every time download it, and if we download it, it will only be downloaded into our download option only in YouTube's app. Like we cannot have the access to gallery. Like we cannot in simple words, we cannot download the video in our gallery just for editing purposes or any other purposes. Like if you want to download the song, any song, and you cannot download it just because YouTube didn't allow it. And if you want to download songs in mp3 and you don't know how you can do this via using YouTube, so here we have a very, like you can say that, a solution that is called an app, and this is like Vidmate. I think you haven't heard it earlier for it, or maybe you have heard it. I cannot say it properly, but Vidmate is an app like which allows you to download things from different sort of apps. Like today we are talking about only YouTube, but when it comes to the other apps like Daily Motion, and like sometimes Insta and Facebook, and you can also say that things from Twitter and some things from like TikTok also, we can download things via using Vidmate account. So just we have to open the Vidmate app. Like you can download it from you can download it from Google, like not from Google Play Store. You have to download it like via using search on Google, because it's not in Play Store. So just you have to tap on it. If you don't know how you can download things from, how you can download the app exactly on from Google, then you can tell us in comment box, so we will make another video where you can learn from us how you can have Vidmat. So here you can see on the screen, like we have Vidmat, and we have, just you can see that YouTube, WhatsApp with games, Facebook and other sites are also available over here. We are just going to tap on YouTube because we are going to make YouTube video related to. So here we have the YouTube, and now we have just to search certain thing like this. Here we go, just tap on a song like have a proper video. Like if we want to have download this one, like this one, so here we have the download option. Like you can see that the download option, you just have to tap on it like this screen will appear in front of you, and it allows you the yours first of all your storage location. Like change means that you can change it to your SD card also. And now 128K and mp4, this and that, they all are the versions if you want to download it in mp3 versions. And for mp4, like video versions, we also have like from 7 MBs to 241 MBs, just to in for HD features and like pro HD features. You can choose any of one. Like I am choosing this 361 video option, and just to download it. And here you can see that task is edit, and you just have to tap on done, and you just have to leave this like this. And here you can see that you just have to go to the your home page, and then on the top of right of the screen you see this arrow, like arrow downward, and you can click it. just like this. And here you can see that my reacting to Kahani Suno 2.0 is like downloading in like depends on your speed of internet, like how will it take long. So this was today's video, and here you can have your downloaded video directed into your gallery. So I think this is going to be really helpful for you. If you like this video, then give a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't have any query, and if you want to request us for making a video on how you can download Vidmate from Google, then you can tell us in comment box below. And do subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon, stay connected, stay together. Thank you so much.